In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Peacock account on PC. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now type in peacocktv.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Peacock. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. If you do not have the account yet, click on this option, get started, and you'll be able to create the account for yourself. If you want to log in to your account, click on this option, sign in, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your account. You can see over here, you'll have to enter your email address. So click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. Make sure to provide the correct email address. After you do that, click on this option, continue, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password. After that, click on the option sign in or log in, that you'll be able to see on that interface. Now you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Peacock TV account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.